Hi, I'm Jennifer Hutchings. I'm here today with Joe Sepulveda of CPS Energy Spruce Plant and Randy Davis. Randy is a systems specialist at Spruce and Joe is the manager of maintenance. And both Randy and Joe have really been instrumental to keeping their boiler optimization systems up and running for a decade now. They've recently added a SODOP system on top of their CombustionOpt system, and they're here today to give us a few insights about that. So guys, why don't you start first with telling us a little bit about CPS Energy and the Spruce plant.
CPS Energy is the nation's largest municipally owned provider of electric service and gas. About 35% of our power comes from coal-fired generation. From our 4 plants at the Calaveras Power Station, we have JT Dealey 1 and 2, and we have our Spruce 1 and our recently added Spruce 2 plant there at the Calaveras Power Station. Spruce 1 is a CET-fired unit, 585 megawatts. We do have lower NOx burners, SOFA. We got 6 pulverizers, which burn PRB coal. Our initial DCS was WDPF. We upgraded to Emerson Ovation controls. Our PI historian is OSI. The SIP blowing controls is Diamond Power, which uses an Allen Bradley PLC.
Now, why don't you share with us how you got started with combustion optimization? When did you start, what your initial goals were, and how it performed for you?
Well, we initially started the project in late 2001 and finished it up in early 2002. Our initial goal was 10% NOx reduction with a well-tuned boiler. And we were able to meet that goal, as you can see from the slide there.
Since you've been using this for so long now, I know a lot of people are interested in hearing about how you've managed to keep it successful, how you've managed to keep providing benefits over all that time.
In the early years, Randy Davis played a key part as being a plant champion of CombustionOpt. He did a good job in keeping track of the on and off times on the system, and getting feedback from operations anytime they turned the system off to ask them why they turned it off, and utilizing our customer support VCAS to pinpoint the problems and get it addressed as soon as possible to get the operators to buy into the system. One of the main things is to get the operators buy-in to keep the system on to do what it's supposed to do. Randy, you got any other?
Yeah, I think early on we found out that if you didn't use the system, it would have very little benefit to you. So basically keeping the utilization up as high as you can, and when it's not up, finding out exactly what's the reason why and getting that fixed as soon as possible has made it a lot more beneficial to us.
So it sounds like you've had a lot of commitment to the technology and a lot of interaction with operations, and that's really helped a lot. So that's great.